Oh my god, I just burnt my hair.
Did you just burn your hair?
Yeah. I smelled it. I was like, it smells like burnt hair.
Oh my goodness.
Just a tiny bit. Chapter 4. The mysterious case of the burning hair. It's not mysterious. I leaned over and I burned my hair in the propane. I'm fine. It's fine. We're good. Good morning. I wanted to show you guys, this is a bear box. I think our food's already out of here, but this is where you have to put your food at night in case bears come. Oh, obviously it's hard to get into. Last night, I swear I heard somebody walking around. Could have been a bear. I'm also kind of paranoid. I don't know. Oatmeal. Did you mix this in coffee? You can have. Is that reopen? Morning chores. Do the dishes. Get water. It's our third full day. Final full day. We do this thing in the morning that we saw on YouTube. We have no idea if it's scientifically accurate, but it's supposed to prevent injury. And we start by walking unreasonably slow for 15 minutes. And then we walk reasonably slow for 15 minutes. And then we stop and sit for 5 minutes, and then we stretch with an emphasis on our hip flexors to protect our knees. And then we keep walking as fast as we want, but we have to stop every hour. I almost said 5 minutes. We have to stop every hour to sit down for 5 minutes. Look, a tree fell down. I wonder when that happened. Oh no, is that thunder? Stop! Do not come. Huh. Yeah, it looks like people went this way. There's a little trail right here. I wonder when this fell. Because they maintain it pretty regularly, but with COVID, like, there's less maintaining. Ooh. Is that another one? I'm sitting in a parking lot waiting for everyone to come down the hill. I see Alina. Oh, I see Melva too. It is thundering so much, like, but it's so bright and sunny. It looks a little dark over there. I really don't want to hike in my poncho. Don't thunder. We're all here. We've all had a bar. We're about to go up the biggest hill of the day, probably the biggest hill of the trip.
Probably.
And it isn't gonna thunder. Certainly not.
In the name of Jesus.
No, I mean,
or rain.
Look at the sky. Well, it is thundering. I meant rain.
But it's still so sunshiny, so that just feels
amazing. And then after that, we're gonna have lunch. Melva, do a lunch dance. Woo! On the count of 3, everyone sing the lyrics to your song really loud. On the back of the car, and I'm crying like a baby coming home from the bar. I'm sure. I don't want to keep secrets just to keep you. We're taking a break. We are elevating our feet. I'm not wearing a shirt. Stopped to get water. It's so cool. It's like eerie.
It looks like somewhat, to me, romantic.
Yeah, there's fog or mist.
Or creepy.
Just, you know, your personal preference.
I'll stick to the romantic vibe.
So we might be crazy, but we've decided we're gonna walk the whole way to the car. So we were supposed to walk 7.9 miles to night. I can't talk right here, so I'm like listening to you. We're supposed to walk 7.9 miles today, and we're almost done. And then we had 5 miles tomorrow, and we decided we want to go home now. So we are gonna walk. I guess we have 6 miles left, and it's what, almost 3?
Yeah.
It's like 2:50. So
We can do this.
gang, we're gonna just be crazy. Okay.
My shoulders
we wait, I didn't get that. She said I can only be this crazy. We bullied Alina into this, so if it doesn't go well, it's our fault, so we're sorry in advance.
Sorry, Alina.
I'm here for it.
Alright.
Oh, Betty, can we get an update on your blisters? How did it go?
Okay, so I popped them last night, and this morning I only did a little hole as y'all saw. And today, halfway through our hike, I took off my socks, and there was more clear liquid buildup. So all I did was squeeze, and it just squirted out. This is the gross part. It squirted into my face.
Not her mouth.
No, it was like.
But how do your feet feel?
Oh, they feel wonderful. Like they don't hurt. I mean, they're sore, but definitely tolerable. I'm glad I popped them.
Great. Are we good doctors?
You are.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Robertson.
I didn't do it. I just supervised.
Oh, Dr. No.
Okay. Melva, this is where we're going to sleep. Are we going the other way?
Go the other way.
No turning back.
Go the other way.
All right.
Let's go.
I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. No turning back. So things really took a turn. It started hailing and lightning and going crazy. But we're about 1.9 miles from the car and we're at a really pretty view. Wow! Yay! You can see the parking lot right there. Oh. Yeah! Bump it up, bump, bump. Woo! I'm so happy! Woohoo! Okay, we did it! Woo! What do you guys think?
I survived.
Betty, you thrived.
I did. Yeah, it was really good. Actually, I'm very grateful that it was 4 of us.
Yeah, it was perfect.
And yeah, it was a great thing to do to process the season of life. Yeah.
Well, are you glad you came all the way from Texas?
Very glad I came. Tired, but glad. Excited to share my adventure with my friends back in Texas. So hopefully I'll bring more people next time.
Oh, yeah.
This is what I decided, y'all. I don't want an easy life. I want like a challenging life that's full of adventure. If we had like not pushed ourselves, we would have missed that whole torrential downpour and hell.
With
like
hell.
We live while we're young. We'll chase down the sun. Hands off the brake.